So here's the mean value theorem. It basically says that if your function's continuous and differentiable, that basically there's a point in between your interval from a to b where the slope of the tangent line is equal to the slope of the secant line. So let me draw you a picture so that you can get a visual here. Let's say you have a function, and it's a little curvy, and it looks like that. And let's say that here we're going from the interval a to b, and so here this is the value of the function at a, and here's the value of the function at b. And so basically what the mean value theorem says is that if you draw a line between those 2 points and find the secant line, so it looks like that, there's this secant line, that as long as the function's continuous and differentiable, then there should be a point, at least one point, in between those two called c, where the slope of the tangent line is equal to the slope of that secant line. So if you just kind of go along here, sort of imagining the tangent line, what it would look like, you notice that right around here, if I draw the tangent line, the slope of it would look very similar to that secant line. And so that's all the mean value theorem says. So let's do an example. Let's say you have a function. So let's say your function is square root of x, and let's say you're going between 4 and 9. And so let's say you want to simply confirm the mean value theorem. Okay, so let's confirm the mean value theorem. So we basically need to do two things. We need to find the secant line between 4 and 9. And so that should be pretty easy. So we have f of 9 minus f of 4 over 9 minus 4. Okay, so if I plug in 9 into my function, I would get 3 minus, if I plug in 4, I would get 2. 9 minus 4 is 5, so this is equal to 1/5. Okay, so then basically what the mean value theorem says is that find a point C where the derivative is equal to that secant line, 1/5. So, okay, let's find the derivative first. That's just equal to 1 over 2 root x. And so all we need to do is set 1 over 2 root c, or f prime of c, equal to 1/5. And we're just solving for c now. So, do my a little algebra here. I would get that square root of c is equal to 5 halves, and so then c is equal to 25/4, which is, let's just turn it into a mixed fraction. This is 6 and 1/4. So notice that 6 and 1/4 is in between 4 and 9, and so that's all the mean value theorem says.